Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to disable Touch to Wake in iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to disable Touch to Wake on iPhone. Maybe because you think that this feature takes a lot of your mobile phone battery, or sometimes you accidentally touches the screen and it shows you time, so you think it irritates you a lot, or it could be any other reason for you to know how to disable this option in iPhone. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So if you want to disable the touch to wake up, this option will be available in settings. But before, I'll show you what this option or this thing means. So when we turn off our mobile phone from the power button, the screen display gets off and we only see the black screen. So if you double tap onto the screen, the time will appear on the screen like this. So in this video, I'll show you how you can disable this option, because you might think that this will take a lot of your mobile phone battery. So we will see how we can disable it. So first we have to unlock the mobile phone and we have to get to the settings. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will find a bunch of options on the screen. All these options are different from each other and performs their own task in this mobile phone. So from all these options, first you have to scroll down and there you will see this section. Into this section you will find this option, accessibility, in the middle of all options. You just have to simply tap onto this option so we could get into it. And once you get into it, first you will read the title of accessibility and you will find many options. So from all these options we have to select to this option, which is touch, which is in this section, top of this section, this one. You just have to simply touch this touch option and then we will get into it. And once you get into it, again you will see its title at the top and find bunch of options. So from all these options you just have to look at the down of the page and there you will see this option which says tap to wake. So if we turn off this option, so tap to wake feature will be disabled. That means whenever mobile phone will be locked and we will triple tap to the screen, it will not show us time. So here I'm just going to lock the phone, and when I'm tapping on the screen, no display is appearing. That means this option has turned off. So if you want to turn this option on, you have to first unlock your mobile phone, and once you unlock your mobile phone, you have to get to the settings and get into this option. And once you get here, again you have to click on this option, and once this option gets on and if you lock your mobile phone and double tap, the screen will be wake. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can disable the tap to wake option in iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.